Hello guys, good evening from Portugal. Hola a todos. Boa noite. Mais dia de luta. Vamos jogar e ganhar. Let's another day fight to win. I have ticket number 13 and 14. Okay, the odds of winning in this ticket are 1 in 3.49. Probabilidad de ganar cualquier premio y de 3.49 a 3.49 dolitas. Okay, but this I think it's a overall odds, guys. I'm gonna use this coin. Scratching in Harmony. I won this during the giveaways of Scratching in Harmony from Florida. We're looking for 32, 37, 23, 49, 24, 31, 43, 45 in Portuguese numbers, guys. 46, 39, 18, my favorite number, 16, 27, come on multiplier, 19, 35, 21, 26, 38, 34, 33, 28, 47, 12, 29, now, 21, now, not a winner, okay, let's go to the next ticket. Come on, multiplier, 100x. We're looking for 43, 18, 36, 35, 27 in Portuguese numbers. 46, 24, 26. Difficult to scratch, guys. 39, 41, 21, nada. 19, I need 18, 17. Ay, 2x, woohoo! I found the 2x, guys. Please don't put €5. Oh, Lord have mercy, there's 2x €5, guys. 2x 10, 2x €5. Please don't give me €2, €5. Ay, 18! Woohoo! 2x and 18, guys. This ticket, guys, is paying too much, guys. 2x and 18. 22, 32. Come on, more matches. 13, 31, 49, 45, 48, 16, nada, 28. Not 5, guys. Let's hope this is not 5. Come on. Oh, Lord have mercy. 18. 10. 2x 10 is 20. Plus 25. Plus 5. 25. There's 25. Yeah. 2x 10. Plus 5. 25. Okay, so look through, guys. Look through. Woohoo! I love this ticket, guys. Okay, so I spent 20 and I got back 25. Look through. Okay. Bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao.